Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shade with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to try out some Shirataki Noodles by Simple Truth that I found at Kroger. Here's how the finished product looks. And I'm going to show you how to make it, so check it out. Here's all the ingredients you will use for this Shirataki Noodle Asian inspired meal. So you're going to start by drizzling about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil into a pot. You're going to put it on medium-high heat. Go ahead and dice up your bell peppers and onions. And of course, once your pot is ready and hot, you're going to go ahead and add the onions and bell peppers and let them begin to saute. And go ahead and stir so you can allow everything to cook thoroughly. Dice up your zucchini and kale. Go ahead and add your zucchini. Now add the water chestnuts. This is how it should look as it begins to cook and how it should look as it's cooking. Go ahead and start stirring all those vegetables up, and it's about time to add the baby corn. Now we can go ahead and add the Shirataki noodles. They looked a little interesting. That's why I showed you close up. Look at that jiggle. Yeah, they looked very, very interesting as I took them out the package. Go ahead and add about half a cup up to a cup, depending on the consistency that you want. If you want more of a soup, definitely add about a cup. If you want it to be kind of saucy, just do half a cup and then stir everything together. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the sweet chili Thai sauce. And then add about a tablespoon of the coconut aminos. Then you're going to go ahead and add about half a teaspoon of cayenne and half a teaspoon of the red pepper flakes. And you're going to drizzle your desired amount of salt. Oh, and don't forget the kale. Go ahead and stir everything together so it can all cook thoroughly. And now you're going to cover for about 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Remove the lid and begin to stir everything so it does not stick. I let it cook for 1 more minute to allow the kale to cook down. And now it is done, so it's time to stir and let you see how it should look. And this is how it should look. Now, if you want more noodles, add some more. And voila, here is the finished product. Doesn't it look yummy? Oh my goodness, delicious. Almost looks like ramen. So we're all done. So here's the packaging of the Shirataki noodles. It only has 5 grams of calories, no protein, and of course this is how it looks once it's done. If you want more noodles, then you might want to use 2 packs. I was kind of unsure about this particular package because I didn't know, I've never seen it. But if you like this content is just for you, this will be a perfect amount. Now you'll have some extra vegetables left over, but again, like I said, if you want more noodles over the vegetables, then you'll want to use 2 packs because it does still spread out. As you can see how the noodles look, they look very interesting. So I'm going to try it out because I've never tried these noodles. Now the vegetables, I've made Asian inspired meals before, so let's just see how the texture, more so the texture of these noodles. So here we go. It's still very hot because I just got it off of the stove. It reminds you kind of the texture of the vermicelli noodles. Doesn't really have too much of a taste. Let me taste it again. It's very interesting texture. Hold on. It's not bad. I mean, it doesn't really taste like too much of anything. Like, it's not bad. It just looks interesting. I like it. Tastes good. It looks good. Use all these vegetables. Yeah. Have your very nutritious meal or soup if you want more vegetable broth. So yeah, I give it like a 9, maybe an 8 or 9 out of 10. Because it's just, I don't know. It's something about it. It just looks interesting. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Try this out. Don't forget to add 2 packs. Don't be like me. Add 2 packs. So yeah, try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and share. And of course, be you. Thank you guys again. Bye.